This is the E-Z Glue, part of the Nicholas Lodge collection. This is actually part of an E-Z collection. There's a lot of range within the collection of the E-Z range. And this is a 2-ounce bottle of basically temperature stable, so it means it doesn't have to be refrigerated. It's basically a room stable product, a shelf stable product, and this is an edible glue that you can use for lots of different things. Now I use this in 2 main ways. One is just literally open the top of this. This is the little E-Z pot that I use for egg white, but also this is great to use for the glue, so you can just pour some glue into there, obviously as much as you decide you need. And then of course this makes this very convenient when you're using, here I'm just going to show using, for example, some little polka dots, like if you're wanting to attach some decorations to a cake, you can just take your brush here, this is the yellow brush from the rainbow set, and then just brush this onto the back and then just lift this up and attach this to your fondant cake like this. So this makes it very convenient. And then just like with the egg white on the E-Z pot, we can then just put the little plunger into here, and then you can just obviously store this for next time you need it, so it's not going to get dried out. And the great thing about this container is it doesn't obviously drip out of here. Even with the lid off, the product will not run out if you keep it within the line here. So never fill it more than that line to stop it running out if you tip it upside down or across. So that is using the E-Z Glue for, as I said, with a brush. Now also we have several other products associated with this. So this is actually the E-Z Glue roller. So this is actually a little glass canister. It has this small little roller ball in here, which this just pops out of the top of this. Just going to pop this out here. There we go. And then you can just fill this up. So just open this up and just fill this up. So it's going to fill this up with the glue. And I use this in all of my classes. This is again a very, very convenient way for applying the glue. The rollerball I mostly use for flat pieces. So this could be used for the polka dots as well, but you can also use this for things like ribbons. And usually when you fill this up the first time, you're just going to just give this a little shake, and this will just ensure that it obviously comes to the top. But if you were, for example, doing something like a ribbon onto a cake, this is just some 50-50 paste, gum paste and rolled fondant. You're just going to roll this over the surface of it. So this is a great way, as you can see, to just apply the glue over the surface. You can see there the glue is on the surface. And then of course this could be attached to your side of your cake, or if you're making a gift package cake. And if you're doing things like, for example, bow loops, again you could use this and just put a little bit of E-Z Glue at one end here. When you're finished with the E-Z Glue, you're just going to put the lid back on here. And we also do have a holder, and this little holder has several holes in here, and this is made to actually accommodate the E-Z collection. So this is actually to accommodate the E-Z release stick and the E-Z release pot, and then the larger one here is to accommodate the Super Bond, the E-Z Super Bond, which is a really strong glue. So this again makes it very convenient to have on your table for organization. And of course, if you were using something like this, then you can just bring this over. But this makes cleanup at the end of the day very, very easily. So if you're making like a bow loop, this is how you would then glue that together. And so those are the E-Z Glue and associated products.